Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Jamarel F. Preston at kasama ko si
Chris Serbo,
Mark J. Lasala.
and Esmeralda Dialing. And today we will show you how our course can help
promote health and physical education.
Food technology is not only about food production,
but also about creating healthier lifestyle through proper nutrition.
Food safety and wellness.
saging, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber, magnesium, at natural carbs and sugar.
Apple, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin P, vitamin B6, B1, B2.
Mango, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B vitamins.
Go!
Excuse me guys, ano yung kinakain nyo?
Malamang junk foods.
Wait lang.
Tinip
Ito ang kainin natin. Ito ang kainin natin. Masarap na, masustansya pa.
Sarap!
Hugasan muna natin ang ating mga kamay bago tayo humawak sa mga pagkain. Next, hugasan muna natin ang ating mga pagkain upang makasigurado tayo na ito ay malinis. At iwain na natin, pasensya guys, wala kaming chalkboard, pero malinis naman yan. At ready to eat na.
Chris, push! Push!
Ano Chris, yan?
Wait lang, natapos na ang ito. May pa eh.
ML gusto workout ayaw?
Tara na.
Wait lang!
Wait!
Food technology plays an important role in promoting health and physical education by encouraging proper nutrition, food safety, and healthy habits.
Through our course, we can help build a healthier and more active community. Remember, good food and regular exercise lead to a better life.